Hello, my friends. Today we are learning a new digraph. Last week we talked about the SH digraph. SH. This week we are going to be talking about CH. But when you put them together, it makes the ch sound. A fun way that I like to remember this, there is a dance called the cha-cha. And what I always sing to myself in my head is I go, C-H, cha-cha-cha, C-H, cha-cha-cha, C-H, cha-cha-cha. It's like they are dancing the cha-cha, the C and the H. So I have another friend. Last week we met my friend Sherman. This week I have a friend. His name is Charlie the Chicken. This is Charlie the Chicken. Charlie the Chicken likes to collect things that start with or have the digraph CH. His name Charlie the Chicken has a CH. Charlie the Chicken. Let's read some of the words that he has collected that have the CH. Some of the words that are on Charlie the Chicken are chicken, cheese, chocolate, chip. Oh, if you put these together, chocolate chip, cherry, cheetah, chalk, my favorite, cheeseburger. And these have the CH sound at the end of the word, which is why it's at the chicken's end. Beach, march. Now this can be like somebody marching or the month March. Punch, punch. It can be a punch or a drink called punch. And rich. Do you hear all those CH sounds? Ch, 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 cha, 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 CH, cha, cha, cha. All right. So, I'm going to hold up some pictures and we are going to say the word together. March, march. Good. Now, what is this a picture of? Cheese. Yummy cheese. Raise your hand if you like cheese. Ooh, I do. All right, the next word. Beach. Beach. Watch your mouth when you say the CH sound. It goes ch. You stick your tongue against the back of your teeth. Ch, ch, ch. When you say the CH sound, it says ch. Your mouth moves. It goes out, then in. Ch, 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 ch. Okay? You can say cheese or cheese. It can go out or in. March, cheese, beach, chocolate. Ooh, rich. When somebody has a lot of money, you can say they are rich. But you can also be rich because You have a lot of love in your life. You can describe a food as being rich because it's very strong flavor. Rich. Chips. Chips. Ooh, I added an S at the end because there are more than one. Chips. If I just had one, it would be a chip. Of course, a chicken. A chicken or a baby chick. Ooh, I have some chalk. You can draw with chalk outside on the sidewalk. That's a fun way to do your sight words or to practice writing with chalk. Ooh, the fastest animal on land is a cheetah. A cheetah. Look how strong it is. A cheetah.
Mommy, I want them.
Next, we have a yummy fruit, one of my favorite fruits, cherries. You have to be careful with cherries because they have a pit in the middle. Cherry. One of my favorite treats this time of year is a chocolate-covered cherry. Mmm. The next one is punch. This is a punching bag. You can use it to exercise. You can punch a punching bag. You never want to punch a friend or anybody, but you can punch a punching bag. Remember, punch can also be a drink that you make for a large group of people. Or you can even have a drink called fruit punch. And then I saved my favorite for last, cheeseburger. I love cheeseburgers. Wow, look at all of the words we can find that start or end or have the sound CH, the digraph CH, saying ch. And there are many more words you can discover as you read and write that have the ch sound in them. Very proud of your hard work today, friends. Bye-bye.